In this video, you'll add page numbers in OpenOffice Writer, and you'll place them exactly where you want without breaking your layout. Most people just type a number. That's fine until you add pages and everything becomes a mess. We want automatic page numbers. Page numbers usually go in the footer. That's the repeating area at the bottom of every page. Go to Insert, Footer, then choose Default. Now you've got a footer on every page. If your cursor is still in the document body, nothing you insert will land in the footer. Click inside the footer area first. Now go to Insert, Fields, Page Number. That number is automatic. It updates on every page. Quick check. Scroll to page 2. You should see page 2 show the next number automatically. To position it, treat it like normal text. Use left align, center, or right align. Center is the most common. Right is also popular. If you want it to say page 1, just type the word page, then a space, then the number field. Do not delete the number. That's the automatic part. You can format this like normal text. Just highlight the footer line and change font, size, or style. It'll apply across all pages. And if you want my free writer templates and quick guides, they're linked below. Like and subscribe for more OpenOffice guides. You're ready to roll.